Hey, what is up, investors? Jason here. So, some very important things to be talking about with Cardano right now. If you remember, I was talking about how we were seeing the price of ADA stay between that 20-day and that 50-day moving average. Now, what do we have going on right now? We actually are above that 50-day moving average. We're not between. We're above that 50-day moving average. So this is very important stuff to look at with the technical. So let's get into this. So as we do, if you don't mind, please do me a huge favor. Please be sure to smash the story, annihilate, or gently press that like button. Help me out with the algorithm. Help spread the content to more people that might find it interesting. And subscribe if you have not already. Let's get to it. So this is what we got going on at this moment. This is our 20-day moving average. This is our 50-day moving average. This is our 100-day and our 200-day moving average, which they're really far away from us. But anyway, so we've been trading between our 20 and our 50-day moving average for a few days now. And I was saying that we're going to continuously either trade in between the 20 and the 50-day moving average, or hopefully we're going to be breaking through and managing to stay above that 50-day moving average. If not, if we are not able to get above that 50-day moving average, then what we're going to see, we were most likely going to be seeing the price of ADA start to trend downwards and go back to the level that was below that 20-day moving average and start to get closer to that 40-cent price like we were seeing. But that ended up not being the case. It continued going up. So all the good news out there with the Vasil Hard Fork is definitely that momentum that we've been eating, but also if you look over at the crypto market, we have a lot of grain at this moment. Ethereum has really been pumping. Ethereum is really testing, trying to manage to keep support above $1,600. So if Ethereum manages to stay above $1,600 and find support, then that's going to be great for the entire crypto market. And the entire crypto market is really liking what Ethereum has going on right now. That's really benefiting everybody. All right, now let's look at ADA with the drawings on. Now, for people that are not familiar, the things that I've been talking about this wedge here, looking at ADA from the beginning of April when we started that second quarter all the way through now. We were in this pattern where the price of ADA kept retesting, trying to break through this pattern, and it wasn't succeeding. And we only had so much time left that we could have seen this pressure with ADA until it was either going to just fall even more, or we were going to see it have to break out of this pattern, which we did end up seeing it break out of the pattern. And then we were seeing it continuously test that 50-cent price, which was our 50-day moving average. And now that's where we're at now. Now we're above it. Now we're working up to that price of 60 cents, which is going to be the next big area of resistance. And it's also our 100-day moving average. So just so everybody's on the same page here, these are the technicals here. This is what we're working for. This is what needs to happen with ADA. Now, if we're not able to see the price of ADA hold on to that 50-cent price anymore and that 50-day moving average, then we could easily not only just fall below that 50-day moving average, but the 20-day moving average. And then worst case scenario, start to go back down in the 40-cent range and possibly even below it. Who knows? Because what we were seeing before, every time that the price of ADA would fall down into a new level of support, it would bounce off of that. Another thing that is worth looking at is this downtrend that we were on. The levels of support were going lower and lower and closer to falling below 40 cents. So there's a possibility that if we're not able to hold on to this support above 50 cents, then the price of ADA could end up doing a little bit of a correction and then taking us down below 40 cents to a price of around 37 cents. And then we could bounce off of that. Hopefully that's not the case though, but a real possibility. So anyways, that's what's currently going on with the price of ADA. Now, hopefully we get some sort of news about when to expect the Vasil Hard Fork. What day is it going to launch? And that is the next big bullish case scenario of what we can expect with the price of ADA. So anyways, with that being said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. I like to hear you guys' thoughts and opinions. I'll see you in the next one.